Part 3, here we go. We're going to kill shine today. That means we're killing and scratching the clear coat. So we got some primer that can stick somewhere for the primer to stick. Soapy water. It was warm, but it's been out here for a couple of days. Now it's cold. These come in red. 3M makes them right there. All right, I'm not sponsored, but they come in red or this. It's a good rough scotch coat, right? Scratches. It scratches. So, see, it scratches everything, so the primer can stick, you know. So, here we go. I got this glass door because I already did this stuff without you guys, so I'm going to show you how to do the door. Alright, I got a log for a tripod. Alright, you want to spurt soapy water on clear coat. I use soapy water because I'm gonna have to wash this after I'm done, and it just gives it all the dust something easy to slide down, you know. Soapy water, not Windex. Just do this a few times, man. It's just like washing the car. Just don't ever wash your car with these pads because you will fucking scratch it. Kids, if you watch my videos, I hope not, because I cuss like a motherfucker. But if you do, your parents are going to cuss at you like a motherfucker. Don't you do it. What the fuck is that? Bubble gum? Kill shine, kill shine. I'm kill shining, guys. It's called kill shine because I'm killing the shine. It ain't gonna be shiny no more. Get that shit off. What the fuck is that? Petrified gum or something. Makes your arm hurt. Now it's going to get the smoother spots, but when you get the rougher spots, it will get it. So you're probably going to have to use some sandpaper on these spots because they're already roughed out and you don't want that to be shown through your paint, you know what I'm saying? So we'll hit that with some sand, baby. We'll keep kill shining this. Scratch it out, probably do this again. Already did the bed. Both sides. It's coming along. Gonna fuck with that fuckery. Gappage. And then see the gappage. Yeah, we're gonna address that. I hope I don't have to cut that whole thing out, but I will if I have to. It's supposed to look more like this side right here, you know. Quickie on the bed, just to get her done and say that I did it twice. All right. I like to give it a nice little hand wipe down when you wash it down first, so you don't have a towel full of clear coat and soap. But I'll show you once it dries. It's gonna be dull because I killed the shine. Kill shine. It's getting there. Uh-oh. You can see that it's put some scratch marks all through. Probably hit it again, but so the primer can stick to it. I'm not auto body tech, but I have 2 weeks experience, and this is all I do is kill shine stuff. And yeah, so I'm experienced at that, I'll tell you that. Well, I'd like to stop the video and let you know that finally Harbor Freight has started sponsoring me. I'm just kidding, but hey, this is the tool of the week, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Hopefully they start. That'd be cool, because I'll use their tools all the time because I'm a DIY. You know what I'm saying? All right, get this fucking shit done. Now, I really like this thing because it has a lock and the handle. It's not that heavy. I give it a 10 out of 10. All right. So if you don't have one of these, go to Harbor Freight and get yourself one of them. All right. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it has different speed variations. You know what I mean? You go from slow to fast, ho. All right then. Pretty quick, man. Man, that was fast. And when you got a little bow into those, like a rainbow, you know, it's pretty lame and gay. So we're gonna go ahead and point it upwards, and then you just grab a hold of it and use your muscles. You bend it down, you round it out, okay? I come from the era where gay is not cool. Don't be offended, Sissy Lala. When you got these type of dents down here and you can't use your muscles, you just grab yourself one of these things. I've seen it on a video before. Your fingers. And there you got it. It looks a lot better. And what we have here is a totally fucked situation. Okay. Now I gotta Preacher Rama Bender that shit. I do.